This is the terrifying case of John Bonnie.
What's he doing? Hunting for zombies and getting, like, I don't know. Points? Should I go meet him? I'm gonna go say hi. Hey!
Don't look for these zombies.
Whoa. Whoa! Ah! No! 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 No, please! Sir! Sir!
Zombie I hear?
Help! Help me! Someone's in here! Please! Don't let it take up on me! Please! No! I'm just a kid. Oh, it's so cold! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Clear the zombie down there?
No! 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 Please!
No. No, that's a kid!
No! Oh!
I have to hide the evidence. I have to go! They're gonna come and get me!
No! Please!
Time to go hunting again. What the fuck is... What? Is that the kid? Hey, stay back!